Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another Adidas shoe. I know the Adidas brand has been dominating the channel lately. I've been doing a lot of reviews on a lot of different Adidas shoes, but you know, whatever's hot, I gotta bring it to the channel and let you guys get a look at it. But the shoe we're talking about today is the Yeezy 700 Magnus. This shoe only came out on the Yeezy Supply app. You guys know about, if you want to get a pair of Yeezys, you know about the app that they have. It's called Yeezy Supply. Only came out on the app. It wasn't in no stores. So I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can get a look at it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And also, be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. But I know y'all tired of me talking. I know y'all tired of listening to this intro. So let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go. The Yeezy 700 Magnet, only released on the Yeezy Supply app. Let's get into this shoe. As you can see on the sole here, got a cream sole, got the gray mud guard here, suede here on the tip of it, suede here in the inside. You have like a canvas gray here, have leather gray coming up where the shoestrings go at. You have gray hair with the 3M in the inside of there. You have orange coming up on the sole. Flip it over to the back panel. You got suede here, canvas here. Come back to the other side, got a black line coming up. Flip it over to the other side. Have gray hair with the 3M in the inside of it. It's got more canvas, more leather here. Pretty much the same. I don't really like this one that much, but I'm gonna just talk about the shoe, man. For me, this shoe looks like it looks like an overpriced. No disrespect to the Yeezy brand. I don't want y'all to think I'm disrespecting the Yeezy brand, but this shoe here looks like an overpriced orthopedic shoe, man. Like, there's really not anything spectacular about these shoes. From what I hear, they're very comfortable, but that's about it, man. But so are orthopedic shoes. A lot of old people wear orthopedic shoes and they're comfortable. This shoe is it's just like, for me, man, the whole Yeezy thing is the thing for people to be wearing now. So a lot of people like to get their hands on them and wear them and style them out. But it's nothing but hype on this shoe for me, man. This shoe is absolutely not nothing I would wear. I would put on my feet. I'm not a fan of the Yeezys. As many pairs of sneakers that I own, I do not own not one pair of Yeezys. I don't like it, man. Let me know what you guys think. You guys think I'm tripping, man? Leave it in the comments below. I'm really not a fan of this shoe or pretty much any other Yeezy, man. I just feel like they overhyped, and I feel like, you know, with time, sneakers, like as they get older, people appreciate them more and people tend to love shoes more. I don't think the Yeezy brand will have that type of appreciation 10, 15 years down the line, man. But if y'all think I'm bugging, leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I gotta get this joint, man, 2.5 out of 5 pennies, man. Not a fan. I don't think these are dope. I pretty much don't think any Yeezys is dope, like I mentioned in the video, man. If you guys think I'm tripping, leave in the comments below, man. And also leave your rating. If you think this shoe deserves more than 2.5 pennies, leave it in the comments below. With that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.